So, we are at the end of a beautiful project. So, I know you were dreaming about this bathroom, so tell us how it all started, how you found us, and how that process was.
Well, we've been thinking about changing our bathroom for about 15 years, and it took a major fall for myself in the bath for us to determine that it had to happen sooner rather than later. We really liked the way you presented
The virtual reality software?
The virtual reality
Yep.
software on your computer to show us what it would look like. We decided very quickly to take you as the builder for the project, and have been delighted with the result.
With our virtual reality software, how did you find the experience of, removing that wall, imagining, that wall and showing you what your complete bathroom could look like? Obviously, it's not an exact exactly what the finished product was, but it gave you a very good representation. How do you feel about that?
I thought it was excellent. It could give us an idea of the colour of the tiles, the colour of the fixtures that we were going to put in, and also the dimensions.
How do you find the time frame of how long it took us to do things, and how efficient we were in terms of timing and getting things done?
Well, I thought it was excellent. One of the aspects of your project that I really appreciated was that your workmen were punctual. They arrived at 7 o'clock every single day, and I'd asked you for a time frame as to what would be done on each day so that we could manage being home on those days and manage our work around it.
Speaking about variations, obviously we had some issues here with the walls. We had the frame straightened.
Yes.
How do you feel my pricing was when it did come to the variations?
The problem with the variation is that you're in the middle of the job, and for the customer, you go with it because you couldn't get other people to quote on it. So that's a bit of a captive situation. But I thought it was fair. You either price it being fair, and we could see the need for it. And once it was straightened, you could see that it needed to be done. So
Okay, the thing about variations, we show the customer the problem, so that the idea is to show you exactly what we're talking about. It's not like a hidden charge.
Yes.
We could take advantage of customers if we really wanted to, because you've got no choice.
That's right.
I wouldn't allow any other contractor to come in and work on my bathroom.
Yes.
But I think with me, I don't like giving variations.
Yes.
For me, when I ask a customer for more money, I actually feel really, really bad about it.
Yes.
And I don't make money on it. So I would rather just get in and out, have the least amount of problems, the least amount of variations, keeps the customer happy, and I get in and out pretty quickly. This is the fun part. Tile direction. So Alison, just to give you guys a background, Alison wanted to go with the different directions on different walls for the tiles, because she chose the same tile for the floors and the walls. So I spoke to Alison and I'm like, I don't think that's a good idea. And I remember hubby was like, I don't think that's a good idea, but how's the end result?
The end result is fabulous. That was the only disagreement we had, but I determined that it was our bathroom, and we were going to do it the way we wanted it. So we did go through with it. Your tiler, who is an excellent tiler, also disagreed with my choice of direction for the tiles, but the end result, I think, is fabulous.
Fantastic. So with all our contractors, I know you touched on this a moment ago, how do you feel our contractors were, and how do you feel that the process was?
I thought you were very open in all your communication. All the staff were really respectful. They were punctual, arrived on time, and I have no complaints about any of them. The other thing is that they cleaned up after themselves every day. Those initial days are really messy, and they cleaned up beautifully after themselves every day.
Fantastic, that's good to hear.
I would just like to say that it is a fabulous end result, and probably better than we expected.
Would you recommend this so I can tell your friends and family?
For certain.
Excellent.
Yes, I can. If we can't do it, no one can.
Yeah, that's it.